As many of you know, at Gasol Foundation, we work to reduce the pandemic of childhood obesity through the promotion of healthy lifestyles. Children's health is at the core of our mission, and therefore, through the spirit of confinement, we are focusing our efforts and ensuring that healthy habits are being practiced at home, especially at the homes of those most vulnerable who have and will be hit harder by the current situation. Yes, absolutely. Following the pillars that we focus on in all our programs and projects at the Gasol Foundation, we are concerned that habits such as following a healthy diet, the physical exercise and activity, the quality of rest and sleep, and the emotional well-being of kids and families will be affected by the coronavirus crisis. So therefore, the foundation is working to turn this risk and this challenge into an opportunity to strengthen those healthy habits and build healthy routines at home. We start with alarming figures regarding childhood obesity in our country. The percentage of children affected by obesity has tripled since the 1970s, and currently 1 in 5 school-age youth are obese in the United States. We also have evidence that the vulnerable groups have a higher risk to be affected by this crisis and any crisis, and to be in a position to gain weight and to acquire unhealthy habits, such as the decrease of physical activity, the increased exposure to screens and technology, and the limited access to healthy foods. So for all those reasons, we want to contribute to the fact that the confinement does not mean a flare-up in the epidemic of childhood obesity, and we want to protect the most vulnerable communities. Although in-person activities with children and their families have been suspended, the Gasol Foundation has teamed up with partners and continue to reach the family and children we serve. We have been delivering healthy foods, including fresh seafood and whole chickens, to families directly we serve through our BETA program. We're also working with partnership with the YMCA to provide grab-and-go meals at their locations in Los Angeles. In addition, we're working with the LA Boys and Girls Club to provide Healthy Kid Kits, which include activities and materials to ensure kids remain active and healthy at home. We are extremely concerned with low-income families and how they can be guaranteed access to basic food. Since school has stopped, hundreds of thousands of children in Los Angeles alone who receive free meals at school have had more difficulties in accessing. In addition, many families have seen their income cut and have problems even acquiring basic necessities. At the Gasol Foundation, we want to contribute to preserving healthy habits during confinement, but we also want to warn that there may be even more serious economic and social consequences that this health crisis will produce in the medium and long term. As we know from experience, this increase in inequities can contribute to an increase in childhood obesity rates. The initiatives of the Gasol Foundation will be even more vital, and we will have to continue intensifying our actions to prevent significant increases of childhood obesity. Well, with the Healthy Quarantine campaign, we just want to fill social media networks with tips, ideas, challenges for all families. We want to engage homes with activities, with enthusiasm, make it fun, and create situations that make our days and our routines a little better and affect our lifestyles in a positive way. So some friends at the Gasol Foundation have already joined, and we want to encourage you to do the same. So just make sure you use the hashtag Healthy Quarantine and tag us, okay? So we can be informed and aware of what you're doing. Well, from this temporary situation, we can take a lot of lessons, we can learn a lot, and we can make sure that we come out stronger and more together and a better society after all this. So let's just turn this challenge and this adversity into an opportunity. From the Gasol Foundation, you can count on us to do that, and we hope you will too.